Hi guys, look what I have here in front of me. It's a ruby necklace plant. It's also known as string of pickles and I think also string of rubies. They're known for the distinct color of their stems, which can turn dark purple, almost ruby red color under stress. When not stressed, they are more on the greener side. They have these long, plump, oval-shaped leaves. This is my first ruby necklace plant, so I'm very excited to have this in my collection and learn more about them. From what I've learned, they're pretty easy to grow and propagate. They do need a fast-draining soil. I'm repotting this right now. From what I can see, the plant looks pretty healthy. Just removing some of the old soil. This is calcined clay right here. I'm using it in the bottom of the pot. And I'm also using Bonsai Jack's succulent potting mix. I've noticed that my plants tend to dry out very quickly when I'm using this potting mix, the Bonsai Jack one. So I end up having to water them every few days when using this succulent mix. So be aware of that when you're using this as well. The plants dry out really fast. So water when the soil feels dry. This plant needs to be in a bright location. It can be grown indoors or outdoors as long as it's a bright area. They can tolerate partial sun to full sun. One thing this plant will not tolerate is frost, so you need to bring it inside if it gets cold in your area during the colder months when the temperature drops below freezing. I think that's all they need. You can fertilize during the growing season in the spring and summer months with the succulent or cactus fertilizer blend. So I'm just sticking some of the fallen leaves or stems back in the soil. It's a very pretty plant and I can't wait to see this grow. Hi guys, please excuse the lighting difference. I had to move inside. So I took some of the stems that look dry and will try to propagate them. I heard that this plant is very easy to propagate, so let me see how these do. I just filled this cute little pot with succulent cactus potting mix. The brand I use for this is Black Gold. I'll just stick these cuttings in. They are very dry. Let me show you how dry they look up close. I don't know if they'll make it. I'll just see. We'll see how it goes. I'll update you guys in about a week to see how these cuttings are doing. Okay guys, before I end this video, I just wanted to give you a quick update on how these stem cuttings are doing. It's been about 12 days later. Actually, it's been exactly 12 days later. And the stems, the leaves look plumper to me. They still look kind of, you know, shriveled up, but they don't look as shriveled as before, don't you think? Is it just me? But I think so. Yeah. So I'm not gonna pull these stem cuttings out to check for roots. I don't want to disturb them, but I think they're doing well, so I'll just leave them as is. I have been watering these a few times a week. I think twice a week at least, because they just look really dry to me. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe if these are the types of content you'd like to see. I have a playlist of related topics down below that you can also check out. Thanks so much for all your support. We really appreciate it. Have a great day and happy gardening. Bye!